Welcome and thank you for joining us on another episode of Marian Shaffer's Institute of Urban Wildlife Development Project. Today we'd like to talk to you about our motto as to when we're coming to the fall season, heading into winter. It's our responsibility of providing proper nutrition and food resources for the animals that live here, and we have stolen their environment from them. I believe it is essential for everyone to partake in maybe a minimal role, but allowing the wildlife to thrive in an environment where we have desolated its food resources. So, with winter coming and everything, all the animals are stocking up. So, you're going to want to give them plenty of food. And maybe some cover. We've constructed some metal housings out of metal fencing that we had in our garden. We upcycled it into these tunnels for the squirrels and chipmunks to run through and provide cover from the elements, so they don't have to find a place that's already provided to them, as it is hard to find adequate housing for animals in urban setting like this. And then you just kind of want to spread it through the yard. This bag is more of getting the animals to see, this is an environment where food is provided for them, and they'll be able to sustain themselves through the winter. So I think a good start is probably a 50-pound bag of corn, just to let the animals know there's food here. We're going to throw 5 pounds of peanuts. I kind of want to put them at the entryways so the animals understand it, there's a tunnel system right here, and get them attracted to these areas. It's going to be their housing. And then we just covered it with leaves. So you have this tin fencing. We just threw our leaf pile over. Like I said, it was just excess fencing that we found off the garden here. And it was just a bundle that was in the way and causing problems. So it can be anything, whatever you can find in a scrap heap, and just upcycle. So then you have, that should be good for the squirrels and chipmunks and mammalian urban dwellers. And then over here we have a mix for the winter birds. So you got safflower, medium scratch feed, and wild bird extra. You got 5 pounds of each. So I figure I'll go ahead and dump out about half a bag of each of these. So you want to clear out, see how I cleared out the patio back here from all leaves and debris, so the birds can see it and know, there's food around. They'll find it quickly. And then once they understand there's food over here, I'll start spreading the food in areas that'll be harder to find, like in the grass and such. So it takes them a little bit longer to dig through, and you don't go through your food as quickly. And then I got a 50-pound bag of black oil sunflower. So this stuff's really cheap. So you get those mixes to spread on the ground. And you want to and same thing, half the bag. Just spread about half the bag. I went a little bit extra, but and just kind of kick it around, spread it over that more expensive seed. So they're still getting that seed that they're looking for, their favorite stuff, but they have to dig through the safflower to get at it. Yeah, so this is just to introduce the birds. Oh, I should put some up on here. The birds and the squirrels to the environment. And yeah, you want to. So once the birds start realizing that there's food resources over here, they'll start exploring the area. So you can start putting seed up on your windowsill. And in the morning, when you go and pour yourself a glass OJ, you have like a cardinal or some blue jays sitting on your window. So this is essentially how you want to get started to be able to provide the habitat necessary for the urban animals that much get neglected. And then, like I said, I only dumped out half a bag each just to get the animals in, and then these other bags will sustain them through the winter. That is our little tidbit of knowledge at Marian Shaffer's Institute of Urban Wildlife, and we hope you have a pleasant fall and beautiful winter. One love.